Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be making a spatchcock chicken. First, clean up around here. Take all the excess skin and fat off. Turn it over. Do the same with the neck. And then down by its tail, just follow through with your knife and you can hear it going through all the joints. If it doesn't go through smoothly, you know you've missed some of the connection. Crack them open like that, clean it out, and remember, same as when we did the boneless chicken, there's a little joint in here. Crick it. And you can do the same here. And it makes it a lot easier when you come to cook it to take this out. There we go. Turn it over. Thanks for watching the Barbecue Butcher's video on how to make a spatchcock chicken. Remember to like and subscribe.